Antes de que comience este video, amigos, quiero recordarles que esta parte solamente es el resumen de la fabricación, es decir, todo va a ser un proceso en cámara rápida. ¿Para qué? Pues bueno, porque hay muchas personas que no les gustan o no les agradan los videos largos. Si ustedes son los que les gustan los videos muy explicados o más detallados, déjenmelo aquí en los comentarios, ya que este video también lo voy a subir, o si ustedes quieren lo puedo subir ya con explicación al detalle sobre la fabricación de este rack. Así que bueno, vamos a comenzar. ¿Qué tal? Muy buenas tardes, amigos de Audio Online. El día de hoy vamos a fabricar un rack para este amplificador JL Audio, así que sin más, comenzamos.
Okay. Yeah. I like it. It feels good. Yep, 10 a.m. and I'm realizing I'm about to do this all again. So I get out of bed, grab my books and a pen, headed to astrology, leaving Earth on the rag. 49-cent Jimmy John bread, allowing me to save my money just to party instead. Yeah, Bacardi and bread, Rhino already dead. On Wednesday night we do it right, wake up and do it again. I make my ass go to class, strolling on the grass, backpack strapped, always passing back facts on the napkins. Tilted down, flat brim, getting every answer right up on the section of the matchin'. After class, pop the Mac, find a chill spot to pack Vesuvius. So I'm fluent on the track, then I hit the sack. Hear a jazz like the Rat Pack. Dreams of hi-hats and rat-a-tat-tat. And like that, yeah, I like that. Add scratching and action, some music I can snap at. Saying peace to the weak, hearing beats in my sleep. Feet tapping up and down as I catch a couple Z's. I'm living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life like it's just the way we live life. Living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life, living life, live life, living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life like it's just the way we live life. Living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life, living life, na na na, na 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 na. I like this, na 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 na. I like that, na 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 na. I bring it back, na na na, na 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 na. I like this, na 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 na. I like that, na 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 na. I bring it back, A Friday around 10 p.m. and I'm realizing we're about to do this all again. So I throw down a 5 before the Friday flies by. About to buy a couple bottles, pre-gaming with just the guys. Getting high, taking my time, looking fly with the fly tie, about to fly by. Sitting a mile high, bringing style to the skyline all the time. Here comes the weekend, filled with lots of drinking. From experience, this is where my liver weekends. Plus on top of that, add a whole bunch of chiefin'. Mixing chemicals, chemistry is what we're teaching. Featuring 1138 all season. Posting up deep, digging the ladies sitting next to us. Right of us, left of us, I'll be ambidextrous. When I step in the room, panties hit the ground. I guess when I dress up, all the ladies dress down. And even with the same pristine routine, I find myself exploring a weaving out of dreams. And even though I do the same damn things, it's the people making the pattern, making it worth standing. Living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life like it's just the way we live life. Living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life, living life, living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life like it's just the way we live life. Living life, yeah, that's the way we live life. Living life, na na na, na 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 na. I like this, na 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 na. I like that, na 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 na. I bring it back, na na na, na 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 na. I like this, na 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 na. I like that, na 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 na. I bring it back,
Anyone in the way will get a hemorrhage, and I was asking for mere time. Holding the handle of music for leverage, all of me diamonds up on me.
Y bueno, amigos de Audio Online, hasta aquí este video, espero que haya sido de su agrado. Si fue así, por favor dejen su pulgar arriba para apoyar este canal. Les recuerdo que aquí en la descripción les dejaré el link a nuestra página web, donde encontrarán una gran cantidad de artículos de car audio a un increíble precio. Sin más, me despido y nos vemos hasta la próxima.
That I'm an animal, devouring rappers like a yogurt, call me cannibals. I control the EDM like I'm the US Capitol.